The chapel. I don't know the name of it. I'll go up close and have a look at it.
I think it's Michelangelo.
Michelangelo. It may even be open. I'm not sure we could film in there. We can, we'll try. Hello again. Right, we're back in Chloraka. We've just walked from the St George Hotel and we're going to be walking. There's a little crossroads and we're just going to turn right here and go towards another town called Milanos. I'm not sure how far it is, but looking at Google Maps, I don't know if you can see this. It's a bit sunny. It's not too far. Milanos to the right and to the left is Lempa. So Lempa's actually nearer, but they're both within walking distance. I'd say another 15 minutes or so. Hopefully not too hilly. So we'll have a walk around. Some traditional Cypriot villages. So we've got the olive trees there. I think they're olive trees, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Mixture of olives and bananas. I think they grow in Cyprus. Probably a lot of other fruit that I don't know about. And there's quite a lot of cactus as well, as we did see in the video walking from the hotel up to Chloraka. But it's a good day for a walk. Like I say, it's April while we're recording this video, 2026. Good time to visit, I think. It's not too hot. It's around about 22. Light winds, pretty pleasant. Peak season, they say it can go up to 40, which would be way too hot. I don't think you'd be doing much walking in that. You'd just be hiding from the sun. We spoke to one of the guys that work in the hotel, and he gets it. It's like a heat wave, a continual heat wave in the summer months, Cyprus. And he actually escapes. He's got a daughter that lives in Glasgow, and he goes to visit her. So he prefers the rain than the intense heat. We do the opposite. We try and escape it. Yeah, there's a nice orange tree there. Let's move that away. They're quite narrow paths, I've noticed, in these small villages, but then again, it doesn't have the foot traffic we do back home in the big towns, if you're from a big town. But there's a nice chapel there as well. We'll have a look at that. I do like the Greek traditional churches. It's always bit out of that old stone. There is one actually on the hotel grounds. I did look at it earlier, but it was locked, so I'm not sure the opening times or whether you can go in. I believe you can go in to have a look. Well, pavements are narrow enough, and we've got a car on this one, parked on this one. That's alright, we can get past. The local, I'll take it that's a local traditional Cypriot tavern, or is it a British one? I don't know. maybe a mixture of both, expats. Well, as I say, we're currently visiting this on a Friday. Everything appears to be open. They did say it may be closed on Sunday and Monday. Hello. Venus, traditional coffee shop. And there's the chapel. I don't know the name of it. I'll go up close and have a look at it.
I think it's Michelangelo.
Michelangelo. It may even be open. I'm not sure we could film in there. We can, we'll try. It does look like it's open, but obviously
It's the weekend.
yeah.
What's it called? Is it weird with the green?
Yeah. I think you can go in and see them blessing themselves. I do believe that most ladies are supposed to cover up with arms and legs, so obviously I don't want to film in there. But as you can see, a nice chapel. I'm going to have a quick look inside, but it's quite a big size. St Michael, I think it is called. I'll have a quick look inside.